You see all the seashells down here? They're for the subscription box, so I need you to drill holes in all of them. How do you feel about that? It is one thing to go to the thrift store and find cool stuff, but then what do you do with it? This week, I'm taking you shopping with me, and then I'm going to show you how I flip it and style it. We're going to go over to the area where I plan to do the styling. I have this bookshelf in the front of the store, and if you watched last week's video, we put the decoupage paper behind it. But I want to take all the thrifted finds and show you how you can create a look at home with your own thrifted stuff.
I found about 5 things at the thrift store. I painted some things, I decoupaged others, and I left some just as they were. Stay tuned for some great thrifting tips. I also hit up my favorite free furniture spot, and it was a motherlode.
I got out of the free furniture this morning.
Before I show you what I did with this piece, we have got to get back to the thrift
store, and the only parking was for 15 minutes, so I'm gonna see how much I can do in 15 minutes.
Has a lot of potential. It's super ugly, but I have a vision.
Okay, I was in there for 19 minutes instead of 15. I have never shopped or thrifted so fast in my life. I only got to see 40% of the store, but I think this is perfect for the new challenge. The fact that I only had 15 minutes kind of goes with the theme of the video. And let's see how quick we can flip these items. I wanted to show you the thrift store. This is Ellie's favorite.
These are the 5 items that I purchased at the thrift store. I left the prices on so you can see what I paid for them. I am starting with our 2-ounce jars. I used maybe 5% of these tiny jars. Our paint goes such a long way. I'm also using the by any other name transfer to paint and decorate the little box. And I am using Salvation Solution for the ceramic items. Salvation Solution is the best primer I have ever used. So if you see something that is ceramic at the thrift store, you can totally paint it if you prime it with our Salvation Solution first. Our clear liquid patina is the best decoupage medium. I'm using it to add decoupage paper to this tray.
I am in front of Nordstrom's rack. This is new for Encinitas. Everybody's excited about it. I want to go in there. I've seen some Converse high tops. I want to see if I can transfer an image like I did for my mural and paint on the Converse high tops. That is my mission. I've got like 5 minutes, so let's go see if we can find some. I am going in. I am not going to be distracted. I am just going to go to the shoes. Boom. We have a pair of Converse. They are not high tops, but they are white. Okay, so these are actually a 9.5. They're in the 7.5. I don't know why they're here, but I'm gonna keep looking.
Okay, I did find a pair of Converse. I've got my phone up in shoe hack right now, but I found these gray. I wanted white. I'm gonna make these work because I don't have that much time. Right. I'm getting these and I'm getting out of here. I said I wasn't gonna be distracted, but I do want to try painting on a t-shirt, and this one is a pretty good price.
If you haven't noticed, I easily get distracted. I'm going to tell you about the shoes later, but first we're going to get back to this cat. I painted it with Salvation Solution so the paint would stick. Then I put our white swan in the 2-ounce jar all over the cat, because when you want to decoupage on something, you need a white surface first or your decoupage paper is going to look dingy. I am adding golden ticket to the edge of this tray. I do this with many things that I decoupage, the seashells and other things. It just adds a beautiful finishing touch, and our gold is the goldiest gold. I painted this $3 frame with layered chocolate, and then I sealed it with our clear liquid patina. I did that because I'm gonna paint over it and then I'm gonna distress it back, and I don't want that dark color to rub off. I'm using the same transfer that I used for the box. I just cut out one of the pretty birds and a piece of cardstock, and I rubbed the transfer right onto the paper. This is such a simple and beautiful way to make custom art for your space.
It's Wednesday. I haven't shown you the high tops that I got at Nordstrom's Rack. I have been working like a mad scientist on those because I want to create a kit where you can paint your own shoes. I just think this would be amazing, and so I'm going to show you the progress I've made. It needs a little tweaking, but I'm really happy with it. And then I have all the thrifted finds almost done. These are my shoes. They're a work in progress. There is the little frame and the thrifted tray. I mean, how pretty does that look? This is the box that I started yesterday. I had to stop because the paint was too fresh and this was not rubbing off easy. So if that happens to you, just stop, let it sit overnight, and then the transfer will release a lot easier the next day. We're going to go over to the area where I plan to do the styling. I have this bookshelf in the front of the store, and if you watched last week's video, we put the decoupage paper behind it. But I want to take all the thrifted finds and I want to style them in this bookcase and show you how you can create a look at home with your own thrifted stuff. Interrupt this video for a quick rant. This is Salvation Solution. We were out of it for a long time. When it came back in, the first thing I did was grab my own jar and take it home. My jar looks nothing like this. Do you see this? Salvation Solution is super strong. So if you don't clean the rim, then you cannot get the lid back on. Please wipe off the lid. But if you can't get it tight close, then you have to bang it against the cement floor to get it to open, and then the Salvation Solution sprays everywhere. It's a really good product if you do it right. So do it right, please. You see all the seashells down here? They're for the subscription box, so I need you to drill holes in all of them. How do you feel about that? It's a lot.
What do I?
Do you have the right drill bit?
I have some drill bits, but
I'm worried that after drilling like 100 of them that you might break the drill bit.
definitely gonna get dull.
All right. Yeah, find a place to set up and let's get rolling. Okay, this is the last item I got at the thrift store. It was $10. She's so cute, but she didn't have a lampshade. So I went and I got a lampshade. I started decoupaging it. Because the lampshades are curved, it's really hard to get the decoupage paper flat. So I'm doing this patchwork situation. I think it looks kind of like Lily Pulitzer. And I just wanted to give you this super amazing tip. If you take a wadded up plastic bag, you can smooth out the wrinkles without ripping the paper. I'm almost done with this, so we're going to do this. And then Ellie is just waiting for me to send her all the clips of staging the bookshelves. This is our bookshelf before I style it. I'm going to add my thrifted finds and some other goodies from the shop, and then we will take a look. I tried to pull things from the store that were pink and green, lots of greens against the pink decoupage bookshelf, but I think that it is looking so good. I'm going to give you close-ups of everything.
I am very happy with the way all my thrift flips turned out. The little green box, I was in a hurry and I need to go back with a tiny brush and touch up all the areas where you can see the red and cover it with the gold. And the cat is sort of an as is. It looks okay from this shot, but the back of the paper is super wrinkly because I was trying to do it in a hurry and I didn't do the best job painting the eyes. So we are going to list that as a as is, see if you can fix it yourself kind of item. Everything else turned out beautiful, and Rose is listing it all on our website as we speak, so you can go and check out the tab and see if there's anything you can't live without.
She was a good companion, eyes like the Grand Canyon. She was an American beauty. She was a long goodbye. She was the best I lived by. She was an American beauty.
Guys, so we only have about a week left in the month for you to sign up to get this month's subscription box. And I know every time I'm like, okay, this one's so good, this one's my favorite, but this one is actually my favorite that she's ever done. I feel like they just keep getting better and better. So if you sign up for our subscription box, you'll unlock the promo for this week, which is spend $50 or more and get the 12-pack of assorted decoupage paper. If you guys liked any of the thrifted and flipped items that Debbie did in this video, they are all on our website, DIYagogo.com, under thrifted finds. And then all of the supplies to make your own is also on our website. So you can find everything that she used in this video under our tab products featured from our YouTube.
I wanted to share with you what it's like to get one of our beautiful tutorial boxes. You get a private video from me that will walk you through every step. There are 4 seashells in this box. Grandpa hand drilled the holes in all of them. There are all the jewelry findings, beautiful glass beads, decoupage paper, golden ticket, collage papers, the decoupage medium, everything you need to make a beautiful project delivered right to your door. All right, there hasn't been anything here all week, and it looks like there's a bunch of stuff. Let's go take a look. Very ornate glass coffee table, way too big. A bunch of couches, no can do. What's over here? Oh man, this is adorable. Look at this, you guys. And I don't have room. So pretty. A little nightstand. It looks fairly old. Oh, there's some pictures inside. I don't have room for that either. Table, modern dresser. Nightstand is super cute. Look at the carved inlay detail on. I could probably fit this in my car, but I don't. This one's tempting because it's lightweight. It's cute. Should I do it? There's a little modern nightstand too. So much good furniture. I really would like to have this piece over here as well, but I definitely don't have room for that. I'm gonna take this one. I really don't want to crowd up my life, but it's free. If I had the room, I would have gotten the nightstand and that little cabinet. I live in 400 square feet, and I am just gonna trust that somebody who really needs those pieces are gonna come and get it. So yeah, I'm driving. I'm headed to the store. It is very muggy and hot today. I'm gonna finish up the video and start on the next project. I have a few clips to send to Ellie, and then we can start editing the video.
Carol, what have you got on today?
Oh my gosh, Debbie, I'm so excited. Our new belt just got here.
Let me get a good look at that. That is so cute.
And it comes in this gorgeous blue floral.
Oh, beautiful. And the price is so reasonable. $21. We got 3 of each. Get them while the getting's good.
Piece that I got out of the free furniture this morning, and I was feeling guilty as I was driving home, but then I remembered I have always wanted to do a piece of furniture that is totally decked out in a holiday theme. So I'm going to doll this up with the new IOD holiday release. I can't show it to you yet. You have to set an alert on your phone for August 6th, 10 a.m. PST. It's going to be the best video we have ever done with the most DIY in 14 years. You're not going to want to miss it. Set the reminder or cry later.
I'm so beautiful without you. Now my skin glows and it shines like glue. I'm pretty without you. Pretty without you. Pretty without you. Pretty without you.
Hi. Carol, carry on, like Tim Gunn would say on Project Runway.
That's right, carry on. Right over there. Jenny's over there. My dad's drilling shells in the other room. It's like Santa's workshop in here. We're getting ready for the big IOD holiday release.
Everybody on my team has been making things with the new IOD holiday release. We are not allowed to show it to you yet. Here is a sneak peek, and I hope I don't get in trouble. You are not going to want to miss this. It is in 12 days. So set an alert on your phone for August 6th. That's a Thursday at 10 a.m. PST. I am determined to make things that are different. I don't know if I can do it, but I'm going to try. And remember that you can get all the products used in this video in the description box below.